in a Freaky Friday, but we got no choice but to turn it.
Hi y'all, good morning. It's Christine Beauty 101. So I'm up so early because I have to do quite a few things today. So I am going to be filming a Mary Kay makeup tutorial. I am a member of Mary Kay. My business is still very, very small. I've only been in it for about 3 months, going on 3 months now. It'll be 3 months at the end of this month. But I am still learning. I love the makeup products. The skin products are my life. I love them from their line, and also some of their fragrance. Their fragrance is amazing. If you guys are interested in any of the products I am using today, comment down below or go to my Facebook group page, which I'll also link down below in the descriptions, so you guys can go check that out. And I can give you updates about prices. If you guys aren't, comfortable with the prices that they give you, I could try to give you a discount. Might be a few dollars off. But yeah, I am going to jump in and do this Mary Kay makeup tutorial. If you are not subscribed to my family, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also that notification bell so you can be aware of when I upload a video. If you guys are not already aware, at the end of April I am going to be giving a 200 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. It's close to there, y'all. So I will be going on the 1st. My brain can't think this morning, but I'll go on the 1st and I'll figure out what I'm going to do before the end of that month is over and I draw the winner or winners. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do 1 giveaway or 2 giveaways, but I'll keep you posted. I'll stay tuned with that, okay? But anyway, enough of me babbling. Let's get on and do the makeup. Also, if you guys are not aware of how I do my makeup tutorials, I usually just share the makeup products and I put them on my face. I usually don't really talk that much. So if you guys would like to hear me, talk some or, do short stories or anything like that, let me know down below in the description box. If so, sit there and ask me questions and stuff. Don't be scared to hesitate, and I'll sit there and talk to them in my next makeup tutorial video, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with this Mary Kay makeup tutorial. Okay, y'all, so this is the finish look for my Mary Kay. If you guys noticed, my brows, I did use LA colors. I don't have a Mary Kay brow right now, and I don't have a setting spray from them either, so I used hard candy. But overall, this is the finished look. It's just basically a, you know, natural day with a bold liner because I love my liners to be bold. And I really, really do enjoy this Mary Kay waterproof liquid liner. It's amazing. And I really do enjoy it. It works very well. This lippy, you weren't really able to read it, but it is paparazzi pink. Very, very pretty. Kind of matches my shirt, so that's awesome. I'm in a pink vibe today, but pink's my favorite color, so I can understand why. Okay. So, I ain't wearing no lashes today. I usually don't wear lashes often. I wear them every other day to give my lashes a break. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, because the weekend is coming up. This video will probably get uploaded. What is today? Today is Thursday. So it will probably be uploaded Friday. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you stay safe. Like I said, if you have any other questions about my Mary Kay product line, or if you guys are interested in anything, they even have men's stuff. It's not just all, you know, for women. There are things for men out there as well. So like I said, I will link my group page for Mary Kay down below. But like I said, sit there, spread the love, shout this girl out. You know, y'all know I shout you all out as well. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to get off of here because I have to get ready to leave. So I will see you guys shortly. Have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.
Dice que no fuma, pero si yo prendo, ella le da.